Hello guys, how are you? Okay, in previous video I showed you how can we create a music player in Python, and in this video I am going to create a soft sound recorder for you. And please don't miss any step. Watch entire video very carefully. Each and every step is going to be very important. Okay, so let's start now. My recorder.py. Okay, here I will import tkinter as tk, and from tkinter import everything. From tkinter import file dialog, and import os. Okay, you will see later in this video why I'm importing os and file dialog. So let's initialize tkinter here. Root tk, and let's set its title. Okay, root dot title sound recorder version 1.0 by Kurt Work. Okay guys, now here set its dimension of sound recorder window. Geometry 350 by 150, it will be good enough. Okay, now let's set it non-resizable, false. Okay, and root dot main loop. Okay guys, now here I will add label frame, wrapper, label frame. I will wrap all the components in this label frame. Okay, so label frame root text sound recorder v 1.0 wrapper dot pack fill both, and expand yes, pad x 10, pad y 10. Okay, now let me show you how is it looking. Okay, you can see this is our sound recorder window, and it's not resizable, and this is a label frame, and I'm going to add all the components within this label frame. Two labels and two buttons will be good enough. Okay, let's do that. Let's add a label, wrapper, text. No, I will use text variable here, fls. Okay, lbl.pack, and here lbl2 second label. I will tell you why I am creating these labels. Wrapper text variable fls2. Okay, label2 dot pack. Okay, this label is for having a file name. Okay, it will show file name, and this label will be used to show status of recording. Okay guys, and here I have to initialize fls and fls2, two string variables. Okay, now let's add two buttons. Wrapper, here I will use text, mm, record, and command will be start record. Okay, I will create start record function later in this video. btn.pack. Here I will align buttons horizontally, so side tk dot left and pad x 30, and second button will be for exiting application. Guys, please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press bell icon so you will keep getting notifications of my upcoming videos, and you will not miss any my video. Okay, exit. Here I will use lambda function because I'm going to use just one line expression, that is exit. Okay, btn2 pack side tk dot left and pad x 15. Okay, now let me show you how is it looking. Python 3 my recorder dot py. Okay, here I will create a function start record, def start record, return true. Okay, I will code it later in this video. Let me show you how is it looking now. I hope you are enjoying this stuff. Okay, you can see. Let me set default labels. Here I will set default label fls.set no file and fls2.set no activity. Okay, now let me show you. You can see default values are showing here in these two labels, and these are the two labels and these are the two buttons. Okay, so now let's start coding our recording functions. Okay, so nano my recorder dot py. Okay, so here I'm going to import sound device as SD. Okay, make sure you have installed this module. I installed it with pip3 install sound device. Okay guys, and numpy is important, so you must have numpy installed as well. I installed it like pip3 install numpy. Okay, you can call it numpy or numpy. Okay, I call it numpy. Okay guys, now here let's start our coding for recording. Here I will uh, create a file name, right? So I will use file dialog dot ask save as file name. Okay, and here initial dir os dot get cwd. Why I'm using initial dir and cwd? You can watch my previous video about music player, so all these things will be more clear to you. Okay, well, in short, I said initial dir, so it will point to direct my application directory, okay, in which I am running the software. Title, sound, no, uh, save audio file. Okay, file types. Here we need to give tuples audio file wave. Okay, and here all files. Okay guys, start. Okay, now here I will set this FLS label to the file name. Okay, so fls.set. Here I will use os.path.base name FLN. This FLN contains full address to the file, but I need to show only file name here in first label. So I'm using path.base name. Okay guys, now here we need to set fls2.set recording. Okay, this will be the current status. Okay guys, now here let me set some variables like duration. I think 10-second audio will be good enough. Okay, sorry. And sample rate, so fs 44100. Okay, this is the commonly used sample rate. Okay guys, now here sd.default.sample rate equal fs. Okay, sd.default.channels 2. Okay guys, now here I will set variable to hold my recording, my rec. Okay, and I will call sd.rec function. Here I will parse duration multiply fs. Okay guys, and here I will set sd.weight. Okay, this variable will hold my recordings. Now what to do with this variable, what to do with recording? We have to set save recording in the file, obviously. That's why we call file dialog here. Okay, but one thing, if I use like this fl name open and fln w plus and here fl name dot write my rec, like we code in usually we code file writing like this, right? But for audio saving it won't work. It's not going to work. It will just save the file, but it won't write audio to the file and it will throw an error. Let me show you. I'm showing you errors because with error you can get more better idea. Then I will fix it as well. Okay, so audio. Hello, mic testing. I'm testing mic. I'm testing audio. Okay, it's recording, but it won't save. You can see type error, right? Argument must be str, not numpy array. Okay guys, now for to resolve this error we have to use another module, that is sound file. Okay, nano my recorder.py. Here I will import sound file as sf. Okay, so This module will write my sound files, and this ordinary file writing won't work here, so I'm removing it. Make sure you install this module with, like I did, pip3 install sound file. Okay, you must install this module as well. Now here I will use sf.write and fln, this fln, okay, which contain the whole file path, and here my rec, and here sample rate, which is fs. Okay guys, now it will record the audio and it will save the file as well. And here fls2.set finished recording. Okay, I will set the label here. So I'm going to show you and test the application now. So I'm reducing the duration here to 5 seconds will be good enough for now, because I'm going to show you another thing and you will get more better idea. Okay, please watch very carefully what I'm going to do and what I'm going to show you. Okay, let me save it. Now run it, my recorder.py. Sorry, Python 3 I'm using. Now look very carefully what I'm going to do. I click record. Okay, here I said my audio, right? Now I will click save button and will record some voice to it from this mic. So let's check. But during recording, this label and this label won't be updated, and after recording they will be updated, but I want them to be updated while recording as well. So I will show you how can we do that. Okay, it won't update for now because it will block the thread while I am recording. Okay, so I click this save button and I will speak some testing words. Okay, so it will be saved and I will play the audio file. Okay, so look, I click save. Hello, I'm testing. You can see it's not updating. I'm testing. You can see it finished recording and it updated both levels. Okay, now I exit and let's play our saved file, my audio. Okay, so play my audio.wave. Hello, I'm testing. You can you hear? It's not updating. I'm testing. Can you hear? Okay, it's working. But now I'm going to show you how can we fix that label updation. Okay, so nano my recorder.py. I hope you will benefit from this video. So how can we resolve this issue? Now let me tell you how can we resolve this issue. We will work with threads. I import thread. I'm going to make it multi-threading application. Okay guys, so from this video you can also learn the concept of multi-threading. I'm going to make another function, start record, sorry, record now. Okay, and here I will need file name, so fl, and now here I will use my rec sd.rec int duration fs. Simply I'm moving this code to here, to next function. Okay, sd.wait and sf.write here I will use FL and my REC and FS. Okay, and here I can set FLS2.set finished recording. Okay, now let me remove it, or let's comment it. Okay, so I comment it out, and here I will call thread dot start new thread, and here I will call function record now, and here I will give tuple FLN. This is tuple. Okay, now let's check. Now it should work very good, and it will show this file name and this recording status while recording audio. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoying this. Let's run it. My recorder dot py. Please watch carefully. Okay, I'm going to click this button record. Now I will create another file. Let's call it sample. Okay, sample. As soon as I click the save button, you will see these two labels updating. Okay, see here, and then I will speak some testing words to check if it's recording. Okay, let's start. Sorry, let's start now. Save. You can see it is working. It's showing recording and it's showing file name. Now let me see if it recorded the file. Okay, ls, you can see sample. Okay, play sample dot wave. You can see. Okay guys, you can see it's working. It's playing. Maybe the sound is slow to you, but it's working. I hope you like this video. My recorder dot py. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. I hope my efforts will benefit you. So please stay tuned to my channel. I will keep releasing such useful videos. These things are very rare on YouTube, but I hope it will work for you. Okay, so see you in next video. Goodbye.